Hi there, I'm Ethan. Welcome to our Shaoguan factory. We have manufactured lead-acid battery for 24 years.
Let me show you around. Those buildings nestled in greenery. That's our eco-friendly staff village, complete with comfy dorms and a canteen. Google Earth will show you all 8 facilities standing proud. We've armed our factory with the environmental Avengers. Dust Ninja, Exhaust Alchemist, Wastewater Terminator, proudly holding ISO 14,000 certifications for 4 years. We're in the top 20% eco champions industry-wide. Fully automates electrode plate production like clockwork. Secret sauce alloy, our lead, calcium, tin. Aluminum supermetal boosts conductivity by 40%. Think of it as building a superhighway for electrons. Laser-guided precision, plus or minus 0.03 millimeters plate thickness. Stamping accuracy, making every battery as identical as twins. Plate Packing Pro, Robotic Sushi Masters, layer positive plates plus AGM separators plus negative plates. Calls Robo-Weldon, AI welders that never blink or tire, delivering 99.99% perfect joints no human hands ever touch these critical connections. Wall-piercing welds. Our lightning bolts fuse battery cells instantly, slashing resistance for explosive power delivery. Patented ABS heat sealing tech. From the polarity tester, short circuit test, and through wall welding quality test to air tightness test, every battery survives a CIA level inspection gauntlet. The 3 charge to discharge activation process gives batteries a second life. Each battery gets a SPA treatment: clean, high, current discharge test, laser code, and custom packaging all before joining its battery squad on delivery pallets. Ready to power up your business. DM our global partnership ambassador Ethan on WhatsApp for a custom proposal.